A legal blow for President Trump as a federal appeals court found that his efforts to end birthright citizenship are unconstitutional. The three-judge panel ruled 2-1 that Trump's executive order banning birthright citizenship violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment. It grants citizenship to all people born or naturalized in the U.S. The president is looking to use the ban to deny automatic citizenship to the U.S.-born children of undocumented immigrants. For more on this, we want to bring in CBS News legal contributor Jessica Levinson. She is also a professor at Loyola Law School in Los Angeles. Jessica, great to have you. First of all, just simply, why did the appeals court rule Trump's order violated the Constitution?
Well, because of what you said, that the 14th Amendment, as it has been read and understood for centuries now, indicates that if you're born in this country, it doesn't matter what the status of your parents is. Now, not every country has birthright citizenship, but if you look at the plain language of the Constitution of the 14th Amendment, if you look at the history of when it was put into our Constitution, it was meant to indicate that it doesn't matter if you previously were a slave or if your parents were slaves. If you're born in this country, you enjoy full citizenship. And so what the judges concluded is that the executive order trying to undermine that violated the Constitution. It was actually a divided opinion. There were two judges who said the executive order violates the Constitution. There was one judge appointed by President Trump who said he didn't think that the states had standing to walk into federal court and bring this claim in the first case. He didn't weigh in on the constitutional issue.
Jessica, Trump's ban already faced a national injunction from a lower court. Where do those proceedings stand?
Well, that's right. And then, of course, that went up to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said that these nationwide injunctions are essentially not allowed except in extraordinary circumstances. Maybe if states sue, which is the case we're talking about in the Ninth Circuit. Maybe if there's a class action case and there is a class that was actually certified that would cover basically everybody covered by the executive order. But the Supreme Court gave the final word on the idea that these nationwide injunctions, generally speaking, are not permissible. And that's why we're talking about all these individual cases working their way up, some from the states that we're talking about today, others from individual groups and people where they're forming a class.
All right, breaking it all down for us, Jessica Levinson. Thank you.